In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to your MailChimp. To keep this smooth, start by signing into your MailChimp account and make sure you're working in the correct workspace. We're going to move from your profile menu over to account and plots and billing, then into settings, and finally into the users area where invitations are managed. At the top right of the MailChimp dashboard, click your profile. That opens the account menu that controls high-level settings. If you manage more than one brand or have access to multiple accounts, this menu is also where you can confirm you're in the right place before making changes. From that menu, choose Account and Billing. This is the hub for plan details, invoices, and account-wide configuration. Think of it as the control center for anything that affects your entire MailChimp account, including who can log in and help you manage campaigns. Inside the account area, look for settings. It's usually along the top or in the left sidebar, depending on your screen size. Open it to reveal all the administrative categories available to you. Next, select Users. This page lists everyone who currently has access, along with their roles and invitation status. It's the best place to review who can do what before you add someone new. Here's an important requirement. To add users in this setup, your account needs to be on a premium plan. If you see a message indicating that user management is limited, it means this feature isn't available on your current plan. In that case, confirm the plan level for the account you're using. Only the account owner or someone with billing permissions can change plans. So if you don't see upgrade options, reach out to the person who manages billing for your organization. If your plan is eligible and you have the right permissions, click Invite User. That brings up the invitation flow where MailChimp guides you through the rest. Follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to send a secure invite so the new teammate can join with the appropriate access. That's all there is to it. Profile, account and billing, settings, users, confirm premium, then invite user. Taking a minute to verify you're on the correct account and plan will save you time. And reviewing the users page first helps you keep access tidy and secure. When you're finished, you'll have a clean record of who's on your team and an easy way to manage access going forward.